Hi friends, let me show you this torque wrench that I received for reviewing purposes. It brings the certificate of calibration from 20 to 210 Newton meters, okay? So that's the range of works that you can do with it. If you see, it's a long wrench, so you can reach different places. It will work clockwise or counterclockwise, depending on what you are doing. Okay, and it has different accessories. This is an extender, okay, and you get 5 different accessories here. Okay, let me show you. Okay, they come in 17 millimeters, 21 millimeters, 24 millimeters, and 9 millimeters, okay? So these are the sizes, and this is like a different accessory to put different size ends, okay? So you put this one here, and you can put smaller ones, okay? So you get these 2 sizes to put different torque accessories, okay? So you assemble like that and you can use it, okay? Well, now let's go to the torque. Let me show you that you get all the torque, definition here, Newton meters, from 20 to 210. And the way to do it is you put it up and screw or unscrew it, and you get to the place that you want it to be, 90, okay, 90, and that's it. Put it up and we are ready to do it, okay? So whenever you get to that torque, the wrench will do a click, so you will notice and you will know that you are on the torque you need, okay? So let's try it. So let me show you that you can use this wrench for any automotive or appliances use, but I want to show you how whenever you get this click, that means that the required torque for the nut has been met. So that way you won't over tighten any nut, okay? So I think it's great. You can use it for any automotive use, for any appliances like air conditioning or some other uses that require an exact and precise torque force, so you won't over tighten anything. Perfect.